Learn fruit's name. Can you guess this fruit? Yes, it is an apple. Can you guess this fruit? Yes, it is an orange. Can you guess this fruit? Yes, it is a banana. Can you guess this fruit? Yes, it is a kiwi. Can you guess this fruit? Yes, it is a mango. Can you guess this fruit? Yes, it is a watermelon. Can you guess this fruit? Yes, it is a strawberry. Can you guess this fruit? Yes, it is a grapes. Can you guess this fruit? Yes, it is an avocado. Can you guess this fruit? Yes, it is a cherry. Can you guess this fruit? Yes, it is a peach. Thanks a lot for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.